Let's learn about calculating distances on a number line. Find the distance between negative 3.5 and 4 on a number line. So let's draw our number line right here. We have 0 in the middle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 right there. And let's go to negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about negative 5? So our 2 points is negative 3.5. That's right here between negative 4 and negative 3. And our next point is positive 4. So that distance we want to find between the points here. Well, let's count our each unit over. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 total. And then we have like a little half unit right here. And so the distance here is 7.5 units. That's our distance between our two numbers. We can also do this algebraically. What we can do is take the difference between our two numbers with an absolute value. Absolute value of negative 3.5 minus 4. Negative 3.5 minus 4, that's going to be a negative 7.5. And the absolute value of negative 7.5 is a positive 7.5. And that also algebraically gave us the same answer as we saw visually on the number line. So either way, we got the answer of 7.5 units. I hope you learned something here about calculating distances on a number line. And as always, thanks for watching.